It's changed my life. Oh, God.
Come give me a hug. Come give me a hug.
Hi, my name's Jackie. I'm 67 years old and I've never been to a gym like this before. My biggest challenge before I came to work with Equilibrium is trust, it turns out. I didn't trust that they would understand I had an injury, and I didn't trust that they would listen to what I had to say, and I didn't trust that they knew their stuff well enough not to injure me. Well, I hit 67 and suddenly I realised how small my life had become. I was not trying things because I thought it would make my back ache and I thought it would then impinge on the rest of the week. I would just not try to do things. Like, for example, I would never go to a concert because I'd be standing all the time and that would make it ache. But that would then have a knock-on effect for the rest of my life. I only ever lifted things from the waist height because that's what the GP said, not from the floor. I never lifted anything heavy. I would split my shopping in two halves so that I wasn't putting any strain on my back. So basically it just made my life get smaller and smaller. I used to do Pilates reformer, which made me supple, and then I did Pilates on floor mats and that wrecked my back. So then I had to go back to square one. But ultimately I was thinking I was going to have an intervention for my facet joints because nothing was improving, and I was 67 and it wasn't going to improve now. So then I went to the consultant and he said, the only thing you can change is your muscles. So change your muscles. Spoke to Dan for ages on the phone and he was really, really helpful and really made me feel more confident in what I was going to come for. So that's why I decided to try Equilibrium. My reservations for working with Equilibrium was that I'd come and put my back out straight away and then I'd be back to square one. And I have responsibilities and so I didn't want that to happen. Lifting weights seems to be completely the reverse of what you think you should be doing with your spine and your back, because you just feel it's going to be too much and it's just going to go. But actually, it's been amazing. My entire life has changed. I absolutely adore it. This is my only hour my 3 hours in the week that entirely for me. I lose the hour, it's so short. I think you've got a different time scale to everybody else. It's completely changed the way I do everything in my life. And I feel, which is very weird for someone 5'3", but I feel tall. I feel like I'm stretched out. I feel like my whole body's working together. I can't sing praises high enough. I love it. Absolutely love it. Specific results I can share is that I now get jobs in the garden. I lift my grandson without any worries at all. I connect my body as one when I'm doing things. I don't think, okay, I best just carefully do this and carefully do that. I literally can do, there's nothing I haven't tried, and that's the thing. I'm trying things, and I think, well, okay, I'll start this way, and I do it, and it's been amazing. I'm not scared anymore, and I didn't even know I was scared. Everybody is so knowledgeable, and when I first started, everybody just adjusted things for me, and if I said, I've never done that before, they say, okay, we'll try with really small weights, and then they would just say, if you've got a little bit more in your tank, just do a little bit more. And everybody, I mean, not only the people working here, but everybody around you is encouraging. It's an amazing place. I love it. I mean, who could say that about weight training? But I love it. It's changed my life. The value that I've received from Equilibrium, this is a funny one, but I have been blonde since I was 17 and I'm 67 now. So the choice was be blonde or get strong, and I've gone brown. I hate it, but I like being strong. So the choice is give up something else if you think you can't afford it, because it's really worth it and it will change your life in so many ways you won't believe it.